Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both timely and important: how to see who an inmate is calling in 2025. If you have a loved one behind bars or you're just curious about modern prison communication systems, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First off, in 2025, inmate communications have evolved with advanced technology, but privacy laws still play a big role. The key is to use official channels to ensure everything's legal and ethical. Start by checking with the correctional facility where the inmate is held. Most prisons now have dedicated apps or online portals for family members to monitor calls. Step 1. Verify your relationship. You'll need to prove you're an approved contact, like a family member or legal guardian. This often involves submitting identification and getting added to the inmate's approved list. Once that's done, you can access the facility's communication platform. Step 2. Log into the system. Many facilities partner with companies like Securus or JPay, which offer user-friendly apps. Download the app from your phone store or visit their website. You'll create an account using the inmate's details and your verification code. Now, for the main feature, viewing call logs. In the dashboard, look for the Call History or Contact Monitoring section. Here, you'll see a list of outgoing calls, including numbers dialed, dates, and durations. Remember, not all calls are visible due to privacy restrictions, so focus on what's available. One thing to watch out for: in 2025, AI-driven systems might flag unusual activity, so always use this responsibly. If you're dealing with restrictions, contact the facility's support team for help. In conclusion, seeing who an inmate is calling is straightforward with the right tools and permissions. It's all about staying informed while respecting the rules. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and life tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.